Hello everyone. Today we have average problem number 2. In this problem, average of 6 number is given. If one number is removed, the average is changed. Then find what number is removed. This type of questions are asked in competitive exams like CAT, MAT, GMAT, Bank PO, Railway Exam, Income Tax, SSC, UPSC, MBA, MCA, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. The average of 6 numbers is 20. If one number is removed, the average becomes 15. What number is removed? So here we have given the average of 6 number is 20. So total of 6 numbers, this is equal to 6 into 20 and this is equal to 120. Now one number is removed, the average becomes 15. Therefore, total of 5 numbers, this is equal to 5 into 15 equal to 75. Therefore we can say that removed number this is equal to 120 minus 75 and this is equal to 45. So our answer is 45. It means removed number is 45. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.